China continues to do build up in Ladakh area along line of actual control as well as in other areas, which includes the area of Chumbi Valley and in the eastern sector, and I think some developments in the central sector as well. Now, China is doing double speaking. Their diplomats keep talking of peace and keep talking of a reconciliation, that one incident should not stop trade. So trade is one of their concern, and their second concern is that India should not go and join up with United States as far as the threat in South China Sea is concerned. But India is very clear. I think we are very sure that the standoff is not over unless they move back to the pre-standoff positions. Chinese compulsion to do this development is that they are aware that all options are on the table as far as India is concerned, and the response can come anywhere in the borders. And therefore, now strengthening the borders is a compulsion for China. The problem with standoff is that it's very difficult to finish a standoff because there is a political cost. The CCP as well as Xi Jinping has to face a loss of face in case they pull back. So this is a major problem, and this is one of the reasons as to why they are trying to strengthen their positions and they are trying to perhaps build up a little more. As far as we are concerned, all our options are on the table. They have tried to seize an opportunity as per their own place and time of choosing. We also have a choice to choose an opportunity as per our place and time of choosing. As far as the military options are concerned, as far as all other options are concerned, some options have been utilized, some options will get utilized. I am very sure that we are ready for all kinds of responses.